Are you thinking about doing some print advertising to highlight your painting business and get more customers? Great, it's an awesome idea. Print advertising has been around for decades and has been proven to be effective in attracting more customers for a local business. But you have to make sure that you're doing things the right way to make your ads stand out and to make your flyers or print marketing materials effective for your business. So, in this video, we're going to talk about tips that you can use as you construct your print marketing materials, or even if you hired somebody to do them for you. When you look at them and review them, you can check out this video and think through, hey, does it match up with the tips for best practices so that I can make the most of my advertising dollars that I spent on this print advertising and grow my business as much as possible? So without further ado, let's jump right in and figure out these tips so that you can create winning print marketing materials that grow your painting business. Okay, first up, think of your flyer or brochure as like a little mini canvas, right? Use bold colors, clear images of your work, and easy to read fonts. Remember, you want your designs to pop for people so that they take notice and can engage with it really easily to figure out the information that's going to make them choose your painting business. Okay, next up, simplicity. Your message should be clear and stick to key points. Who are you? What do you do? And how to contact you. No need for anything fancy or no need to over-explain. Simple is usually better when it comes to print marketing materials. Okay, next up, let's talk testimonials. Positive reviews from happy customers are like gold, right? We know that. Include a couple of short and sweet testimonials in your materials. It's like showing before and after pictures, but with the words. And when people see other satisfied customers, they're more likely to feel confident and trusting of your business based on that print material. Okay, here's the thing. You need somebody to drive them from seeing your print material into contacting you and becoming a customer. That's a call to action. And the best thing you can do is offer them something like a good deal. So offer a new customer discount or offer like a refer a friend promotion. This is going to encourage people to try your services and to share your painting business with others who they know might be in the market. So it's a win-win. All right, and next, use high quality images. That's a must so that it comes out clear and bright and showcases your work in the best light possible. This is where you get to show off your skills and let everything shine. So use high quality images if you do put any images into your marketing materials. All right, next up, keep it local. Highlight your connection to the local community. You don't want to just say, we're a painting business, right? All over that, because people will be like, oh, do they paint in my area? Is this really the right business? Highlight your connection to the local community. Mention local landmarks or where you've worked or local events you participate in. It's about building trust and showing you're proud to be part of the neighborhood and that you're the neighborhood painting business that this customer should choose. All right, and last but not least, think about distribution. Think about where your potential clients might visit. So local cafes, community, if they're in the newspaper, if you want to insert it there, home improvement stores, and make sure to place your materials where they're most likely to be seen by your target market. And there you have it. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. This was 7 easy tips to make your print marketing as vibrant as possible. And don't forget, after they see your print marketing materials, they're going to look and go to your website if they're interested. Make sure you have a simple professional website for your painting business. The link's down below to Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month. Remember, it's all about catching their eye. Keep it simple, connect with your community. Happy painting, good luck. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Wishing your painting business mighty success.